Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss on finding the solution of linear inequalities in one variable. In here we'll just use the procedures in finding the solution of linear equations in one variable. Now for this example number 1, 2x plus 1 is lesser than 0. So we're going to have 1 to the right side, so we can have our answer as 2x is lesser than, this will become negative 1, and x here will be lesser than negative 1/2, that is dividing both sides by 2. So 2x divided by 2 is x, and negative 1 divided by 2 is negative 1/2. Now if we're going to draw a number line here, so for your solution, so we're going to have here 0, 1, 2, you can have here 1/2 or negative 1/2. Yeah, this is negative 1 and negative 2 and so on. So lesser than means all the number lesser than negative 1/2. So lesser than is towards left. So you're going to have your answer as this one. So we're going to make an arrow, but this one here is not shaded. This means that negative 1/2 is not included in the solution. So all of the numbers here towards left of the graph are solutions except for negative 1/2 in this graph. So to check if our answer is correct, so we can choose any number that's included in the solution to the original inequality. So we can have negative 2. So if x is negative 2, we can have 2 times negative 2 plus 1 is lesser than 0. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Then plus 1, is it lesser than 0? Then negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3, lesser than 0. Then for number 2, x minus 5 is greater than negative 3. So we're going to transpose here negative 5 to the right side. We can have x is greater than negative 3 plus 5. And x here will be greater than negative 3 plus 5 is 2. So all the value of x that is greater than 2 will be the solution for this inequality. So if we're going to write our answer in a graph, using graph, so you're going to have here 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So since this is greater than, so we're going to start here with 2. But again, this is just hollow. It's not shaded. It means that 2 is not part of the solution. And we're going to have it towards right of the number line. So this means that all of the numbers here are solution except for 2. So to check if our answer is correct, we can have the value of x as, so this is any number greater than 2. So we can have it as 4. So if we're going to substitute 1 with 4, so 4 minus 5, is it greater than negative 3? So 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So negative 1 here is greater than negative 3. So meaning you got the correct answer. Then number 3, x plus 8 greater than or equal to 10. So same, we're going to have here x, then greater than or equal to, we're going to transpose 8 to the right side, so this will become 10 minus 8, and 10 minus 8 is 2. So x is greater than or equal to 2. Now this is different from number 1 and 2 because in here you have an equal sign below the greater than sign. So this means that 2 is now included in the solution set. So if we're going to have that one using a number line, we're going to have it here as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So by this time 2 is included, so we're going to have our arrow as shaded 1. Now this means that 2 is part of the solution. Now to check if your answer is correct, let's try it first with 2. So 2 plus 8, is it greater than or equal to 10? 2 plus 8 is 10, meaning it is correct. So 10 is equal to 10. Now to check for another answer, we're going to use 4. So 4 plus 8, is it greater than or equal to 10? So 4 plus 8 is 12, and we can have this one as greater than 10. So our answer is correct. Then for number 4, let's have -1 greater than or equal to 2 minus x. So we're going to have here -1 greater than or equal to 2 will be transposed to the left side, so this will become -2. So we're going to have -2 here. Then this will become -x. The -2 minus 1 is -3, greater than or equal to -x. Since this is negative here, -x here, so we're going to make this one +1. So we'll just simply transpose that one to the left side of the equation. And the same with -3 here. So we're going to have our answer as x greater than or equal to 3. Now, if we're going to draw a number line for the solution, so we're going to have here 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5. So our solution will be x greater than or equal to 3. So 3 here is included. So we're going to have here towards right. Then to check if your answer is correct, we're going to substitute any values of the solution set here. So we can take 5. So we're going to have here -1 greater than or equal to 2 minus 5. -1 is greater than or equal to 2 minus 5 is -3. So -1 is greater than -3. So our answer here is correct. And if we're going to use 3 here in the solution, so 2 minus 3 will be -1, and that will be just equal to -1. So that is still a solution of the inequality. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.